everybody, how are we all? Paul79 here, I hope you're safe and well. Welcome to another edition of Paul79's Car SOS. We're on to part 6 now. I've actually had the car 30 days now and I think I've done about 50 hours on it. So I just want to update you. I had a good day yesterday. I'm going to show you what I've done yesterday, and then I've got a whole day on it today, so we'll see later on what I managed to get done. So let's have a look at the car. So again, doesn't look much different, however a lot of stuff's been going on behind the scenes, so let's go around it. So this area here, blacked them all out on both sides. All the rear sort of boot area has been cleaned up and blacked out at the bottom of the lights here. All along here it's looking a lot more neat and tidy. I've got rid of the all the excess glue where the rear windscreen was and cut it out, painted it all black just to make it look pretty. Although you can't see behind the scenes here, I've also blacked it out. I've blacked it out under the door trims as well. But more importantly, one of the main things I've got managed to get done is the B-pillar trims. So they are now all glued in, waiting to be carpeted. Can't really see it here. Oh, let's move it like that. So there you go, you can see they're all now in place, ready to be carpeted. So I've been doing a lot of work on the back. So today I'm turning my attention to the front. So it's just aesthetics really, but it does look a bit of a mess, doesn't it? So I'm going to clean this all up. I'm going to black out a lot of things, probably change these screws for rivets so they look a bit nicer, and yeah, generally just give it a bit of TLC. If we come out the back here, you can see where the bonnet is. So I've got the bonnet out here on my ping pong table. So I'm going to black out the underneath of the bonnet because it needs to be black really. And I've also put in some lights that will be rigged up to the light when you open the bonnet, so it shines down and everything looks lovely. So I better crack on. See you later. Bye. So the bumper is all painted and it's drying nicely. I also painted the scuttle cover yesterday because they really fade. So that's just got some satin black on it, just makes it look nicer. Hello Looney, you alright? So this is, I've neatened up bits and bobs and I've masked all the edges up. So I'm going to give this all these edge bits a nice coat of satin black. A lot of trim goes over it, but you know, it just finishes it all off because you don't really want this horrible sort of beige colour. They're all like that, Porsches, doesn't matter what colour the car is, but you can tell that this car was black. So here's the suspension turret and it's black. So the battery wasn't in properly. I've had to take that out anyway to help clean up, and yeah, cleared a lot of leaves. So the bonnet's all done, it's all dry. Lights are bonded in there and there, and then this is the wiring that will connect up to the normal boot lights. So when you open up the bonnet, the light will come on, but I'll also put a switch in there as well, just if you want to turn it off with the boot open or the front bonnet open. And then on the front we can see that I've blacked it all out along the sort of inside, the inner flitches of the car. Put rivets in here instead of those screws, and yeah, just painted it all up, neatened it all up. The only other thing I've done today is these are now properly glued and screwed. So I've done both of them. I painted this black again because you can see through it, and I've just bonded in the the rear number plate lights. So so there you go. Didn't spend as much time on it today, probably a good 6 hours though. So yeah, I'm quite tired now. I just hope this weather holds up, you know, for the next few weeks, so I can crack on. I've got so much done just because it's dry. But anyway, I'm a bit knackered now, so I'll see you later. See you on the next video. Bye bye.